In this homework, you're going to have to do a BLAST and a BLAST-X search. You can find the link to the website to help you do this in the homework. To do the BLAST, you're going to go to the NIH BLAST website and then click on the Nucleotide BLAST button. Okay, you're going to want to highlight and copy the dino DNA for the book Jurassic Park, and then you'll want to paste it. Get rid of this right here. So like I was saying, you want to highlight and copy that DNA code and then paste it into the main box, and your page should look something like this. Now, you're going to scroll down on your page, and will look something like this, and you'll see in the bottom there's a button that says BLAST. You'll want to click that, and it should take about 5 seconds to complete the BLAST. Your sequence is going to show up in blue. I'll bring this in here. This is what your BLAST should look like when it's finished. Your sequence is going to show up in blue, that line on the top. And your red lines are something that matched it in the library. If you put your cursor over a red line, you'll be able to see what it was that matched the sequence, and it will show its name. If you scroll down even farther, then you're going to see a table that looks something like this. Now, this column right here, this one, says IDENT. Now, that gives you the percentage of how similar these sequences actually matched to your original sequence. And it will also give you the scientific names of the species. A quick Google search will be able to tell you what the common name is. Now, when you scroll down even farther, you're going to see some diagrams. I'll bring this in here. So you'll see these diagrams, and these show how the two sequences are actually similar to each other. Alright, so now you'll want to do another BLAST the same way, but for the Lost World dino DNA. And after you've done the BLAST, you're going to do a BLAST-X, which is found in a different place on the main page. So if we go back to the main page, I said it's found in a different place. So last time we clicked on the nucleotide BLAST, but this time we're actually going to go to this button that says BLAST-X, and you'll want to click on that. You'll do the same thing where you copy and paste it in, you'll scroll down, and you'll click BLAST again. Now, a BLAST-X, just so you know, takes a little bit longer to process because when it's trying to find the matches, it also translates the DNA sequence to its matching amino acids. So it's a more specific match than your regular BLAST search. Alright, so it should take a couple minutes for that to come up. And then, when it does, alright, we'll bring in this screen here. Okay, so how they match in this on this part of the screen, which is at the very bottom, it's going to look different from the regular BLAST that we did before, because instead of using GATC pairs, it uses the single letter amino acid code. Now the BLAST-X is going to give us a more accurate match. You'll want to scroll down to this diagram where the matches are shown in order to find the secret message that Mark left behind for us.